Go.
Alright, hello everybody, Namaskara. My name is Vikram and the guy behind the camera is Ravi. Ravi, say hi.
Hi, boys.
Not like that.
Like this.
Hi boys. Nice guy. Alright, so let's look at what are we here for today. So, here this thing there, so the bike got punctured, front tire. And this is my bike, so it's Harley. So there's the puncture. ಒಂದು ಸ್ಕ್ರೂ ನುಗ್ಗಿದೆ because of Bangalore's fantastic roads. This is inevitable. But what we need to know is ಇದು ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, and then we need to understand how to repair this. We need to know how to repair this. If you're a biker, if you're a performance biking, if you're into all that, I think this is a valuable skill to learn. Okay, let's look at how to do that. First, we need to get rid of the screw that's lodged itself into the front tire. Since this is a screw, I'm going to use a screwdriver to pull it out. Okay, there it comes out. Right? See, the tegad mele, undamaged. We can use it for something else. Maybe purchase someone else. Anyway, let's put it across side safely and remember to take that and dispose it. Right? So here is where it is. This is where it's punctured. Let me get a close view. Okay. So what do we need to do all that? So this is the kit. This is the plug. Right. This is what goes into the. So we have a few of them. Get into that. And we have the gum resin or the rubber solution. And I'll tell you why that is used. We have our trusty pliers. But if it was a bolt instead of a screw, you would use this to pull it out. So if you look at it, there's a circular recess inside, right? So you hold it and yank it out. With the screw out in there, it's easier. You can just unscrew it like that. Okay, and we have this. I don't know what that is. And this is called a reamer tool, or it is also called a rasp or a spiral probe. They're called by many names. Right? And this is a plugging tool or an insert tool, a puncture tool, whatever you want to call it. The next step is basically now we use this. ಇದು ಅಗಲ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಟೂಲ್ನ, ದ ಹೋಲ್ನ ಅಗಲ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇದೇನು ಪಂಕ್ಚರ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಗಲ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೋಬೋದು. ಸೊ ದ ರೀಸನ್ ವಿ ಡೂ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಇದನ್ನು ಒಳಗೆ ಹಾಕಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಹೋಲ್. ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ put it in, widen the hole. So before we do that, it's recommended that we put some of this glue on this and prepare the tire to basically accept the plug. Right? So spread that and start putting in. So this will take some effort, right? And do that up and down, in and out a few times. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅಗಲ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಟೂಲ್, right? Do that. Since these are tubeless tires, it's fairly easy to repair if you know how to do it once. Okay, now let's see how it goes. Let's take one of this. Let's show this. Let's take one of the plug. I believe it's made out of some kind of synthetic polymer, maybe. And we need to get it inside this insert tool. Again, takes some effort, but ಇದನ್ನ ಸುಮಾರು ಅರ್ಧ ಆಗೋವರೆಗೆ, probably half the way, just insert it here and then push it in. Don't push it all the way. ತುಂಬ ಒಳಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದು ಒಳಗೆ ಸಿಗಾಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. Right? Push it maybe like 3/4. ಇದು ವಿಸಿಬಲ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. Right? And now comes the tricky part. This has to come out in one yank, one quick yank. Now Ravi, you know what happens?
Uh-huh.
Yes?
What
This comes out with it. Okay. So let's see if we can do that. There you go.
Wow.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Okay. Now this has formed a nice little bond. And what we just need to do is, I believe this is for that. Maybe we can use this to cut. Yeah, I think this is to cut the extra piece, right? I think this is a snipper. You can leave this like hinge bitri ಏನು ಆಗಲ್ಲ. You can leave it. Flat ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. The road ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಓಡಿಸ್ತಾ it will become flat. But if you have a knife, just cut it along. Remove it. Be careful. You have to cut your hand. Okay. Just take off the excess. And whatever remains will get flattened out as you ride the bike. Okay, now let's put it all away. Okay, let's close the lid on this. Put it all away. Now comes the time to put some air into this guy. Okay, so air inflator, auto electric air inflator. What I'm going to do is start the engine. And plug it here so that it comes out. This is the battery tender which is available on most bikes. At least on a Harley it's always available, and you can use that. So as you can see, it's drawing battery power from the battery, and this can be used to blow air to the bike. Right, but before we switch it on, I believe it's always good to start. Fill the battery drain out. Pressure dial is moving up, so it's pumping air. So it's 32 on the front, 42 on the back. And I think most performance better. What? Literally, 32 and both 32, huh? Yeah, probably because this is a cruiser. Maybe that's why it is. At least for people who are into biking or go out on long drives like we do, it's a very good thing.
So how many kilometers have you done?
Huh?
How many kilometers?
4,000 now, 4,400 plus.
Your first puncture, huh?
First puncture in a year almost. Yeah, the next month is 1 year. December 1 year, ಅಲ್ಲ? ಹಿಂದಾಗಿರೋ 1 year ಆಗೋಯ್ತಲ್ಲ. So done about 25 psi. I'll go up to 30 and maybe switch it off and take it to a. There you go. It reached 32. Wow. It's close enough. Switch off the engine. It's good.
Oh, good.
Either ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ flat ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. I think when you ride,
Something fall off.
fall ಆಗಲ್ಲ. It get compressed and it flat. Maybe I should have done a better job of trimming it, but it's okay. Okay, let's give it a spin. Keep rolling. punctured tire. Punctured tire repair 101. Thank you, friends. If you like it, if you like the video, press like and leave some comments if you like, and constructive ones, please. And thank you, Ravi, the trusted cameraman.
Thank you.
The guy
Thank you.
behind the camera with
Yeah,
rock
hope
solid
I done a
hands
good job.
and $1,000 smile.
Yeah. Bye bye
Hey,
guys.
come here, come here. Come in. Just like you said hi into the camera, please do the honors and say bye.
Bye.
Bye. That's all, folks. Thank you.
Bye bye.